Welcome. If you want to set up face unlock in your ZTE Blade 10 Prime, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find security. Then go for the face verify. Input your current log method. Then click accept. And click to create now. And we have to keep our face right here in the circle. Let me just take this phone a little bit closer. And as you can see, the scan is complete. Right now we can try to lock device and unlock by using this lock method. And as you can see, right now we are able to unlock device because face was scanned. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.